I congratulate you, Ms. Ijara, for taking a decision to implement the 4-acre model of NRM and following the guidance of His Excellency General Yoweri Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, who during his qualification tours in Teso visited my farm also, which has dairy, poultry, piggery, and fish, and matoke. And after seeing my dairy cows, he guided me to visit your farm. So with the guidance of His Excellency the President, it is the reason I am here today. And I will report to him that what I have seen in this farm, what I have heard from you here, explaining step by step in your farm, will go a long way in improving my farm. And I also encourage the people of Serere, people of Teso, not to fear to try new things. Because now I am an example of someone who tried much as a leader at the national level. But still I have come to learn from Mr. Ijara. Agriculture is not about knowing everything. Commercial agriculture is not about having a high office. But commercial agriculture is about interest and commitment and perseverance and patience. So I want to call upon everybody at whichever level you want to learn that when you change your mind to do what government is telling you to do, you will realize big results which are here today in Mr. Ijara's farm, whereby, according to the statistics, when the president visited the farm, Ijara gets 1 billion, about 1 billion shillings a year from all the enterprises, which he does here in 2.5 acres. So my biggest message is really to encourage everybody in Teso to adopt commercial farming, because it is what will change us, it is what will remove poverty from the region, and it is what will also make us to compete with other regions in the country. Now that there is favorable environment across the country of peace and security, let each and everyone choose what he can do best and then learn from government extension workers, but also a number of very successful model farmers across the region. Well, if you want to do fish, there is always a very successful fish farmer. You learn from that one. If you want to do citrus, there is always a very successful citrus farmer. You learn from that one. If you want dairy and poultry, we are here today. I welcome you here to come. And Mr. Ijara has not charged us any money. I want to believe that he doesn't charge anyone money who comes here to learn. Come with a positive attitude. And I want to thank the people around this village and around this sub-county and the district for the support they are giving Ijara and his family. New things is what will take us also further as a community, as a region. So each of us can perform exemplary very well the way Mr. Ijara has performed, and we can all create wealth and jobs. I have seen the boys you are employing here are very happy. So when we have these kinds of satellite farms in the region, you will reduce on the number of young people who do not have what to do, because they will come to work in these kind of farms and earn some income. And the issues of crying for work will not be there anymore, because all the youth will have something which they will be doing. So I wish you again a very happy new year and success in the continuous development of the farm. Should you need anything, should you require anything, my door is open for you as a farmer, but also as a political leader. Thank you very much.